Have you ever scrolled through social media and wondered how everyone gets that perfect, dewy glow? What if I told you the secret isn't some expensive serum, but a simple 2-ingredient concoction that costs next to nothing? Today, I'm taking you on a 7-day journey with just rosewater and glycerin to see if it truly delivers that unreal glow. Spoiler alert, the results might just shock you. Let's get into it. Day 1. It all starts here, with 2 classic ingredients, rosewater and glycerin. The magic is in the mix. Rosewater is famous for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, calming down redness and just making your skin feel happy. Glycerin, on the other hand, is a powerful humectant. Think of it like a magnet for moisture, pulling water from the air into your skin and locking it in. The perfect ratio is key. I'm using about 2 parts rosewater to 1 part glycerin. You want it to be hydrating, not sticky. I poured them into a spray bottle, gave it a good shake, and that's it. My super serum is ready. I applied it with a cotton pad for the first time, and my skin felt instantly soft and refreshed. It absorbed beautifully with no tacky residue. A soft start to what I hope will be a glowing week. Waking up on day 2, I was genuinely surprised. I looked in the mirror, and there it was, a subtle, healthy sheen on my cheeks, especially when the morning light hit. It wasn't oily, just alive. When I touched my face, the texture already felt smoother. Those little dry patches that usually hang around my nose and chin, gone. It makes sense. Really. Hydrated skin reflects light better, and that's the foundation of any good glow. What's amazing is that this simple duo works in all kinds of weather. Whether you're in hot and humid Dubai, chilly London, or a dry climate like Nairobi, this mix adapts to help your skin stay balanced and hydrated. The first hints of a glow have appeared, and I'm already impressed. By day 3, the changes were becoming more than just a feeling. They were visible. When I gently pressed my cheeks, they had a new kind of bounce, a soft plumpness that wasn't there before. My skin tone looked brighter and more even. But the real test. Makeup application. I applied my foundation, and it glided on like a dream. No pilling, no clinging to dry spots, just a perfectly smooth canvas. It was like my skin had its own built-in primer. This simple, affordable mix was outperforming products that cost 10 times as much. The texture was noticeably different, and my skin felt deeply hydrated from within. This isn't just surface-level moisture. It's a real change in the health of my skin. Here we are at day 4, and I'm calling this the barrier-boosting phase. My skin feels stronger, more resilient. Usually, by midday, I'd feel some tightness or dryness, especially from being indoors with air conditioning, but not anymore. That persistent feeling of dehydration is completely gone. I also noticed a significant reduction in redness around my nose and cheeks. The gentle, calming nature of the rosewater is clearly working its magic, soothing irritation and giving my complexion a more uniform look. I've started misting it on my face throughout the day for a quick refresh, and it feels incredible. It's like a drink of water for your skin, and it instantly calms everything down. The glow is building, my skin barrier feels supported, and I'm feeling more confident. It's day 5, and this is the moment I could confidently go out without a drop of makeup. The glow is now officially visible to the naked eye. It's not just a morning thing. It's an all-day radiance that looks completely natural. My skin tone has continued to even out, and the overall complexion looks so much clearer. It's that plump, dewy look we all crave. You know, the kind that makes your skin look like you just had a facial and drank a gallon of water. Tapping my cheeks, they feel so soft and full of life. This powerful combination of hydration from the glycerin and the soothing properties of rosewater is creating the perfect recipe for healthy, happy skin. It's no longer just a subtle sheen. It's a full-on, undeniable glow. Welcome to day 6. The results are getting even better. I took a close look at my skin this morning, and the fine lines on my forehead and around my eyes appear softer. It's not a miracle, but well-hydrated skin naturally looks plumper, which helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines. The texture is the smoothest it has been in years. I've found the best times to apply it are right after a shower when my skin is still a bit damp, just before bed to let it work overnight, and as a light mist under my makeup. It's so versatile. At this point, it feels like my skin is actively repairing itself. It's calmer, stronger, and more radiant than it was just a few days ago. I'm starting to think this simple spray might be the best skincare discovery I've ever made. And here we are, day 7, the final reveal. The glow is real, you guys, it's undeniable. Looking back at the photo I took on day 1, The difference is incredible. My skin is brighter, the dullness is gone, and even some old dark spots from past breakouts have softened and look less noticeable. The best part? The hydration lasts all day long. My skin feels just as comfortable and dewy at 8 p.m. as it does at 8 a.m. This week has completely transformed my perspective on what skincare needs to be. You don't always need complex formulas or expensive price tags. Sometimes, the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. This rosewater and glycerin mix is proof of that. The final glow is here, and it's better than I ever imagined. Now, before you run off to make your own, let's talk about some important things to avoid to get the best results. First, getting the ratio wrong. If you use too much glycerin, your skin will feel sticky and tacky. Stick to a 2:1 or even 3:1 ratio of rosewater to glycerin. Second, don't apply glycerin to bone-dry skin, especially in a dry environment. It needs some moisture to pull from, so apply it to damp skin. And finally, make sure you're using pure, high-quality rosewater, not a synthetic fragrance. Also, a quick warning: this mixture isn't for everyone. If you have very oily or acne-prone skin, the glycerin might feel too heavy. Definitely avoid it on broken skin or if you have fungal acne, as glycerin can sometimes exacerbate it. Always do a patch test first. So, how do you make this a lasting habit? Consistency is everything. You won't see these results overnight. Commit to using it daily for at least a week. I've incorporated it into my routine, and it's become my skin's best friend. It's especially amazing if you live in a city. It acts as a protective shield against pollution, keeps your skin hydrated against drying indoor AC, and soothes it after sun exposure. It's a true city skin rescue. And this isn't just for younger skin. Mature skin will absolutely love this gentle, hydrating care. It helps plump the skin, making it look youthful and radiant. This glow truly works worldwide, in any climate. Ready for an extra hack to level up your glow? Keep your spray bottle in the fridge. Misting the cool mixture on your face is not only incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot day, but the cold helps to temporarily tighten pores and reduce puffiness. After you mist, gently tap it into your skin instead of rubbing. This helps with absorption and stimulates blood flow for an extra rosy flush. Remember, the glow you build is cumulative. Each day adds to the progress of the day before. The longer you use it, the healthier and more radiant your skin will become. I really encourage you to document your own 7-day journey. Take a photo on day 1 and another on day 7. I promise, you will be surprised and delighted by the transformation. So there you have it, my 7-day experiment with rosewater and glycerin. The glow is real, and it's achievable for everyone. I can't wait for you to try this for yourself. Give it a go, and please share your day 7 results in the comments below. I'd love to see your glow ups. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Here's to welcoming back your natural glow.